So what we're looking at here is an online software solution to collect data from equipment and people to help improve productivity and uptime in your factory. We partner with a company called Spencer Metrics. They've been around for a while. They have a very robust set of tools to be able to collect data not only from our equipment or operators, but they can connect up sensors and connect to other equipment to aggregate all of the data in your production facility to get total production quality. A customer would want this really to get a good overview of what's happening every day, every minute on the factory floor. If you want to see what's going on third shift on Saturday afternoon, what job were they running, and compare that with any other job, you could look at that data to see, are you seeing trends that you need to make a change in your process? Do you need training? Or even we've had customers talk about material changes. They've noticed certain materials and substrates run poorer than optimal, and they made some changes to improve productivity. Customers like Spencer Metrics or other ERP systems, equipment in the field, you can contact us for an upgrade to your equipment to be able to have the data sent to this type of system.